What's the 12 without the 1? That's what I want to know. You can tell me. But for me, as a Christian, what is the 12 without the 1? Who are the 12 without the 1? If you want to apply that to everything else like I like to do, i.e. astrology. Sorry, it's snowing by the way. Yay, snow. Anyway, if you want to apply the whole concept of the 12 zodiac signs and the 12 disciples and Jesus being the 13th, and ignoring the fact that Jesus was ousted by the other disciples as a disciple because they didn't quite understand the will, you got what? 13. 1 plus 3, 4. And I've told you before that 4 is a special number when it comes to bridging yourself in this dimension with the other dimensions, right? So really and truly, if you're looking at it from a Christian perspective, the 12 aren't much without the 1, are they? The 1 completes the 12. So that is a full cycle, you might want to say. Really, not 12, but 13. So a lot of Westerners, people who subscribe to the Western Zodiac, I mean, you're not getting the full picture basically. Because without the 1, the 12 had no job. So you looking at your zodiac signs and trying to interpret your chart without the 1 sign that's meant to be there, you're not going to get the full picture. That's basically what I want to say. So you need to have a look at different charts and see for yourself which one resonates best with you. If you want to know my own personal experience, it's 13 signs rather than 12. I never quite understood the zodiac. The zodiac never resonated with me. But then in following my zodiac with the 13, i.e. Jesus and the 12, I get the full picture because my placements change. Now a lot of people may be thinking, well, Eddie, if I'm going to start subscribing to 13 signs as well as 12 signs, because it doesn't mean you have to give up one for the other, although why would you keep one that's obsolete? They'll say, Eddie, why, what can I do in regards to getting the interpretations for my new placements? You don't have to go anywhere to get your interpretations. You get them from the same source. You see, there's a difference between your placements and the interpretations. The interpretations are always the same. Whether or not they apply to you is dependable on the chart you use, right? So you use your 12 zodiac sign chart and you experience what you experienced, then try and use the 13 sign zodiac chart, which will change your placements, and you'll see how that goes. For example, I for 27 years thought that I was a Virgo sun. I thought my sun was in Virgo because I'm born on the 14th of September.